Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. Claude just released another new exciting feature and it is available for all. It is available for free, and the feature is interactive charts and diagram. Basically the idea is, here you see I asked create a visual diagram explaining how a neural network works, and here you see that this is the output from Claude. If I just play it, and here you see this is the simulation that you will be able to see. So not only that, here you see this is the another create a visual simulation of projectile motion. So if I just change the angle here, you see that currently it is 40 degree, and here you see that this blue color line is at 40 degree. Now if I just change it to 90 degree, then here you see that it is 90 degree. Okay, so basically this kind of some small apps, or you can say mini apps, or you can say this kind of simulation that you can build directly inside this Claude chat. Now to build this kind of interactive charts or interactive simulation, you need to mention some of the words, like you can mention this visual implementation, or you can say draw the diagram. If you mention this, then it will create this kind of visual interactive mini apps for you. Now I got some idea from this chat gpt. Basically I gave this blog link that Claude has published. This is their official blog, and after that I asked it that give me some ideas that I can generate with this. Here you see, give me some of the prompts that I can try to test this feature, and it has given me some of the prompts like interactive math visualizer and data visualization prompt, and this dataset chart and neural network diagram. So this neural network that I have shown, I basically got this prompt from this chat gpt. And after that, this is the system architecture diagram that basically I have not tried. So in front of you now I will try that also. Okay, and I will open another new chat, and there I will just paste it and press enter. And here you see that what kind of prompt I have written: create a visual architecture diagram for a modern web app with front end, back end, database, redis cache, load balancer, and show the data flow between the components. Okay, and not only for this web app, here you see that if you are from the non-coding background, here you see this is the data set. If you want the simulation or visualization for this entire chart or data set, then you can create that also. Otherwise, if you have a excel, and you can upload that excel to this Claude, and you can give this prompt that visual a dashboard showing monthly sales for a company with this revenue growth that I have provided inside excel. Okay, and it will create that multiple chart dashboard layout, and also you will be interact with that. Now if I just press enter, you will see that it will work for me. And here you see that it is building that. The first of all, we have this client, which is the browser, mobile, or API consumer, and user will do the HTTP call. Then there will be a load balancer, and after that we have this React app, which is the front end, and then it is using this Node.js API server, which is the backend part. And after that it is going to this cache, and also if there is no data inside this cache, then it is going to this PostgreSQL. And after that, here you see primary replica if there is any, and also it has explained this data flow summary in a well. Okay, so this kind of interaction that you can do. Okay. Okay, so I hope that this feature is really helpful for you guys, and you got to know many things from this video. If you found this video helpful, and if you want to get this type of latest update daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.